So welcome everyone, my name is Tamás Kovalcsik, and this is a tutorial video for the regional analysis course. And in this video we are going to discuss the unweighted GINI index, and we gonna calculate the last exercise, the last task in the first test, because lots of you and many of you use a wrong formula for the unweighted GINI index. So let's discuss it, because the GINI index also will be in the second test. So let's check the right answer for this question. So the unweighted GINI, the formula is this. So you have to summarize the differences between all of the cases and divide it by 2. Many of you you use that correct value, and the average, where you this upper line means the average value of the dataset, and also you have to divide it by the number of cases square. So you not divide it by always 35, you have to divide it by always the number of cases square. So let's check the unweighted GINI index calculation for Germany and Austria, NUTS 2 regions. So GDP 2010 and 2015 was the question, the unweighted GINI. So we have to copy all of the dataset for GDP 2010 and 2015 to another sheet, and after that we will have to copy all of the dataset, Ctrl C, and right click and transposing. Sorry, my Excel is Hungarian, so I have to change the language. So here is the English version of the Excel, and after that we should summarize and calculate the top of the formula, these differences. We have to use the equal sign and the absolute formula in the Excel, and in it we have to make a difference between the column and the row datas, and we should fix at the C column, we should fix it, and in the E1 we should fix the 1, because we have to make the fix in the row for the row, and in the column we should fix the column sign. If we have the column in the data, we have to fix the column, and we have to fix in the row datas just the row sign. Okay, and if we make all of them, the differences, and we just grab to the bottom, we have all of the differences between all of the datas. And after that we should use the average function in the Excel, and we should use all of the datas for the average. We have the average value of the dataset, and after that we should calculate the GINI, sum all of the datas in the matrix, and after that we should divide it by 2, and the number of cases, which is if just select all of the code, we have the number of cases, which is 47, divided by 47, and 47 2 times because of the square, and divided by the average also. We have the GINI index for the GDP at 2010. We can just calculate for 2015 the same method, copy and transform, paste with transform, and make some differences with an absolute function, and fix the column and fix the row number. OK, and grab it to calculate all of the numbers. One more, and that's it. We have to make an average of this dataset. OK, and then we should summarize all of the data in the matrix, and then divided by 2, divided by 47, because of the number of cases is 47. So this is not a constant, this is always a different number, because we have different cases all of the exercises. And after that we should divide it by the average also, and we have the GINI index for the 2010 and 2015. So that's the unweighted GINI index calculation form. Let's check the next video. I will introduce you the weighted GINI index, which is the forward, which is the next step in the calculation. So, bye.